Hi, my name's Samantha from Minerva and welcome to today's video. In this video we have 5 new jersey fabrics from the collection to share with you. And if you are a jersey fan like myself, you will absolutely love the selection we've got for you today. So let's crack on and look at the very first one here. And this is a viscose lycra blend jersey. As I say, these are all new to the website and I'm so excited to share these with you. This is a leaf repeat pattern. Let me bring this to the camera so you can see the shape and also the design here. And we are loving that it has a small leaf pattern in 2 colourways, so you've got those bronzes which are perfect for the autumn, moving into those blues too. Now this has got a 95% viscose, 5% lycra, and if I just give it that stretch here in the camera, you can see the quality and you can see that lycra working fantastically well. So this would be so flattering on your figure. This fabric is a 150 centimetre width and that is 59 inches, so you are getting a great value for money on this jersey. Now we've teamed this up with New Look 6301 and we have got so many friends over on the Minerva site who have made this pattern. It has 3 different lengths of sleeve and you've got that beautiful flare in the shape. I've made it myself a few times and it's such a great wrap dress to have in your wardrobe. It's easy to wear and I love that you can wear it with the belt option or you can make it without if you decide. It's very flattering and it would be great for the office or for a party, and this would be such a easy to wear dress for seeing you through the seasons. We love La Miss Kiku's design here and she looks fantastic and you can just see how flattering this shape would be, and teaming it up with this leaf design would look great. Let me just give it a nice shape for you to the camera. And then moving on, we have got a gorgeous design and it's a feather. Now I love this because it's got a little bit of a retro feel to it, but also just look at that strong colour there. That really is a statement jersey. Let me just bring this to the camera so you can see how this has got a big repeat in the design. We're looking at 95% cotton, which gives it a beautiful softness to it. And you're also looking at 5% lycra with this fabric. And I'll just give it a stretch so you can see how it recovers in the camera. So this one here, we would be looking at teaming it up with Simplicity and it's 1358. And we love this because you've got so many different variations within the one pattern. And we think it would look great. Maybe you could go for a Christmas party in this dress, or you again would look great as a shorter length too for warmer days. This fabric has got again that 150 centimetres in the width on the website, which is just 59 inches. So again, you can choose to make with the Simplicity 1358 up to 6 gorgeous dresses. So why not purchase another of our jerseys and make a different type of dress just with that same one pattern. And moving on to our next jersey. This is a viscose lycra and I absolutely love this new pattern because it has such a sophisticated feel to it. It has a gold and blue very Art Deco in its style. You can see that gold coming through, and how great would this be for a wedding or even for Christmas, with that little speck of gold in the leaf here. And you can just see on that repeat that it just looks such a luxurious fabric for the price. And we would look here at a Sirocco jumpsuit from Deer and Doe. So really to get into that party spirit with this fabric, the Deer and Doe Sirocco would look a very stylish and also such a flattering make for you. You've got the mock wrap jumpsuit top, and you've got the versions with the tapered leg, which would look great in this, which would be version A. You would need 2 3/4 yards of fabric, which is around 3 meters of fabric for this design. And I'll just give this another look to the camera again so you can see in the light the gold and the design there. And what would you make with this fabric? Would you go for a dress, or maybe look at a top with a wrap? And then I have 2 florals for you in jersey, and who doesn't love a floral dress? This one has a blue base to it and a very pretty small repeat of a beautiful summer floral. And I'll just move that to the camera for you. This is a 95% cotton and 5% lycra, and again, as all the other fabric, you're looking at 150 centimeters in the width, and that is 59 inches. This is what we would call a medium weight fabric, but just look at those beautiful delicate colours that you have with the fabric here, and you can see as it moves that it really has got a beautiful feel to it. And I have to say, just touching it, that cotton mix really is such a very soft touch there too. Now, we're suggesting here a butterick tea style dress for this fabric. And this is butterick 5030. And again, like our simplicity pattern, you can make 6 different dresses with just that one pattern. So if there's another fabric you have seen in today's video, why not purchase that one too? All the details are in the box below, and make another one of these gorgeous jerseys into a tea dress. We particularly like that there's 4 different style sleeves and 2 different style collars on the dress. You've also got a choice of 3 belts with this pattern too, so really there is so much choice. And I really love this, feeling it against your skin, it really feels such a soft one to wear. And then finally we have one more to show you in today's video, and this is again a floral, and this is a viscose jersey knit. So the last one we showed you was the cotton jersey, and this one is a viscose jersey, and wow, just look at that beautiful blue. This really does have a little bit of an oriental feel to it there, with the very soft, reminds me of cherry blossom season actually. It's very soft, and you get so much softness there with our viscose. Just have a look at that. You also get the same width on this as the others in today's video, and we particularly like this as McCall's 7122. Now we love this because you've got 3 dress options, 2 tops and leggings within this, so that's really your jersey staple projects for the next couple of months in just that one pattern. And if you would team this up with this pattern here, we love that you've got two options on the flare and the style of skirt on this dress. We also love that it has a very casual look, so it's such a versatile dress. And you would only need 1.6 meters to 1.9 meters there to create and to make a top in this fabric. And I could see myself making a lot of tops in this fabric using some of the designs in this pattern. And that's everything I've got to share in today's video. Which one did you enjoy, and what would be your chosen pattern to pair with it? Pop your comments down in the box below. We love to hear your suggestions here at Minerva. And don't forget, with the Minerva Craft Club you can save 10% on all of your orders. So thank you for watching today's video. I've absolutely enjoyed sharing these new fabrics with you, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.